For decades, there has been enmity between PC and Mac users. Some say Macs are better than PCs and others argue that PCs are garbage. I have taken it upon myself to go on a mission with a quest to find out which is better, PC or Mac. In my quest, I would have to go through the jungle of Vergio as I carefully try to find the perfect PC to match my 900k MacBook. I call on all the clans and I beckon on my brave brothers to join me as I build my own custom PC. Who will win, 900k Mac or 700k PC? Stay tuned. In this video, we are going to be comparing a custom built PC with a MacBook Pro. This is a 700,000 naira custom built PC and this is a 900,000 naira 2019 MacBook Pro. Which one of these is better? This PC has an Intel Core i7 11th generation processor, a 16GB DDR4 RAM, an Nvidia GeForce RTX 2060 graphics card, and a 1TB NVMe SSD. While the MacBook has a Core i9 9th generation processor, a 4GB AMD Radeon Pro 5500M, and Intel UHD Graphics 630-1536MB graphics card, 16GB DDR4 RAM, and 1TB SSD. We'll be using 10 categories to determine the winner, so let's get started. Number 1, boot time. No one wants to wait for a long amount of time before their computer boots up. I actually turned on these two devices at the same time and the Mac came on after 24 seconds while the PC came on after 32 seconds, as you can see. So for this round, I would say the Mac is the winner. Number 2, app launch time. I tried to launch Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects on these two devices at the same time. The Mac took 42 seconds to launch Adobe Premiere Pro while the PC took 10 seconds to launch the same app. The Mac took 40 seconds to launch Adobe After Effects while the PC took 28 seconds to launch the same Adobe After Effects. So for this round, I would say the PC is the winner. Number 3, video export time. Now this is something that a lot of people are actually looking forward to. I exported a 10 minutes 4K video on both of them and the Mac completed the task in 11 minutes 10 seconds while the PC completed the task in 9 minutes 44 seconds. As you can see, from this round, I would say the PC is the winner. The fourth category is going to be file compression time. I compressed the same 2GB folder on both devices and the Mac completed the task in 50 seconds while the PC completed the task in 1 minute. So we can say that the Mac is the winner of this category. Number 5, portability and ease of use. We all know that the Mac is more portable. I mean, no one wants to carry a bulky PC up and down. With a Mac, you get a screen, a keyboard, a trackpad, a speaker, all in one package. Whereas with a PC, you have to start sourcing for a monitor, an external mouse, an external keyboard. Who wants to do that? Nobody. So for this round, I will say the Mac is the winner. Number 6, gaming. Yes, I know a lot of gamers are actually looking forward to this. This PC is great for gaming. I tried playing some games with it and it performed excellently. Whereas with the Mac, good luck even finding games to play on the Mac. So for this round, I will say the PC is the winner. Number 7, ports. The Mac has 4 Type-C ports and the PC has 9 USB ports, 2 HDMI ports, 1 Ethernet port, and both speaker and headphone jack. Although Type-C ports offer higher speeds, you need to get a dongle to get other ports on the Mac. On the PC, you get all the other ports except Type-C ports. One thing to note is that the PC has PC high slots, which are expansion slots that makes it easy for you to swap ports if you ever get a damaged port. Whereas with the Mac, you are stuck with the 4 Type-C ports that comes with it. Too bad. For this round, I would say the PC is the winner. Number 8, battery life. This MacBook Pro actually lasts for 5 to 10 hours depending on the usage, but the PC, no battery at all. You have to stay close to a socket every time, which is pretty bad. So for this round, I would say the Mac is the winner. Number 9, value for money. So tell me, would you rather buy a 900k MacBook with a screen, the trackpad, the keyboard, in fact everything you need embedded in one package, or a 700,000 naira PC with better performance while you have to source for the keyboard, the mouse, and the monitor for yourself? I mean, if budget was an issue, I would definitely pick the PC. I buy the PC for 700,000 naira, I can get a decent mouse and keyboard for 20,000 naira and a decent monitor for about 80,000 naira, and then I have 100,000 naira. That's extra 100,000 naira to flex on your babes. Now the 10th point is customer support. Apple is located in California, and if you have any issues with your MacBook Pro, it might be very difficult for you to get technical support from Apple directly. Whereas this piece is assembled by a Nigerian company called Vergio located in Lagos, so if anything goes wrong, you know who to go and beat. We've all seen the results, and to me, I think the PC won. So tell me what you think in the comment section. Do you think the PC won, or do you think the MacBook won? If you would love to get a custom PC like this, then feel free to head over to www.vergio.com.ng. You can build your custom PC, select all the specifications, select all the components you want, and Vergio is going to bring your custom PC to life and ship it to you anywhere you are in Nigeria. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos like this. See you in the next one. Cheers.